Hey guys, today I'll describe how to make a video resume. Nowadays, it is very important for new job shaker because the employee wants to know your video resume that must match your physical interview. But make sure when you make a video resume, always try to smile faces. Before making a video resume, you ask about yourselves. What brand makes you are? What's your values, morality, integrity, and character? What's your passion? Why you are a unique excel? Think, are you introverted or extroverted? Or a team player or a motivational speaker? So, all of the common things you make sure before making a video resume. If you want to apply for a new job, first of all, you say something about yourself. What position you're looking for? Your previous and present experience. Give a straightforward statement. For example, I'm applying for a marketing manager in Nisham. So I can say, hey, my name is Kazi. I'm looking for a marketing manager, world famous prominent branding company. In the last 15 years, I've worked at Primark, one of the largest branding company in Europe. My current position, a sales manager in this company. Honesty and integrity is the highest attribute in my life. But I have been told by others I have a boundless of smile that never quit. So if you're looking for a focused, organized, and highly motivated individual with an entrepreneurial mindset, I'm your candidate.